This tutorial will teach you how to navigate GrabCAD Print's Polyjet UI so you can apply transparency to your part. This tutorial is applicable to GrabCAD Print version 1.39 and above. All previous versions will have a drastically different UI. So here we have two bottles on Grabby's tray that we want to have transparent. To add transparency, we first need to know what materials we have loaded. And we need to have either Vero Clear or Vero Ultra Clear loaded because those are the only materials we can print transparent. We can find out what materials we have loaded by moving our mouse over to Tray Settings. This will show us a small menu of what is currently loaded. We can click on the Change button, which will bring us to an expanded menu of what can be loaded. If you are directly connected to your printer, you can click on Get Printer Loaded Materials for an updated list. We have both Vero Clear and Ultra Clear loaded, so we can click Save. Now that we know what we have loaded, we can move on to model settings for options on adding our transparency. We will select one model which will enable the features within model settings. You have a nice drop-down bar with various options, but all we really need is either the color picker or tray materials. Since color picker is selected by default, we will start there. In color picker, simply move down towards this slider. This slider controls transparency. As we move further left, the more transparent the part will become. You'll also notice the number associated with A is also going down. You can control the transparency by inputting a custom value in this alpha channel. The other major way to add transparency is by going back up to the drop-down menu and selecting Tray Materials. From there, you can directly select Vero Clear or Ultra Clear. However, the color picker option gives you much more control. Once you do have the desired level of transparency, it's a good idea to see where support material will touch your part. Sections of your print that have support material will make the finish matte instead of glossy if you have glossy selected as your default finish. You can see that by moving to the top bar and clicking on Preview Supported Surfaces. This will show you a binary view of the part. The checkerboard pattern indicates where support material will be touching your part and hence changing your finish from glossy to matte. Changing the part orientation can increase or decrease what is affected. So if you have a part that has many faces, like a gem or a tail light, it's important to orient the part so that it's support material free. This prevents you from wasting unnecessary amounts of time and effort post-processing your part.